Hey Veronica, let me show you what I do so you have a complete understanding. And it says, what I do is right here, it goes advanced filters. So I go here, lessons 25 through 32. I always do the start date of the semester and the end date of the assignment, which was July 7th. So this is lessons 25 through 32. Notice I have all the boxes checked. Okay. So that will cover every section in there. So then I click apply. What I do is I do it from go in order A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm not sure which ones. Questioning. They sent me a bunch of documents. Okay, so let's see. 25-1 email. So I look 25-1. You have 16 errors. With this one, it should be 2 errors or less. And if you notice, I put that in your comment here. Read guidelines in Canvas. And when you first started the class, I had all of these guidelines set out. And signing the contracts told me you read everything in there. So that's why you got a 0 on that one. Let's see, probably a section missing here. You did the envelope there. Let's see, 2811. The ones with the red A's mean I've made a comment to you. So let's see, my comment here was probably, remember, Kitties with 5 errors or less. To my surprise, there's a section A, egg on my face, which means I'll go back and look at that. 28, A through G, there is, but you still got 4, so you're good there. Okay. 28-9. You did good here. 1 error. Okay. So I probably wrote a comment. General comment. Good job. Here. 2811, you had 54 keystroking errors. I said 2 errors or less. That's what I go for. 54 errors tells me you didn't even proofread it. What it shows me here, look at all these errors right there. Those all need to be corrected. That extra dot there, that extra dot needs to be taken out. Those extra dots. All these, why do you have all these enters here? I mean, there's no reason to have all these. Notice though what it tells you. Insertion error, you inserted something. Omission error and misstroke error. Okay? But all that means, I don't even look at them if they don't have 2 errors or less. Okay, 2914. 2914. Again, the red A. 22 errors. Let's see. You didn't even go back to correct them. Again, inserted all these. What's it say? The green is omission error. Okay. Look, you don't have probably, oh, you put an enter instead of a tab. Okay. Right there. You have an extra space, extra space. You did an enter. Probably requests. Don't hit enter. Let word wrap work for you. Your right margin should not match up with the book. If I don't receive emails, I just assume everybody's doing good on these. Okay, your typist initials here are lowercase. Alright, just for future, I don't go back and regrade. Alright, what did I say here? 30 minutes. Yep, gotta get those to 5 errors. You guys are into the timed writings now. 3019. Again, 25 errors. And 3019, I believe, is a progress proofreading. Yep, 15. That's how you can tell. A through E. Let's see, I didn't even give you a grade there, so why didn't I give you a grade? A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so there we go. I'll add your grade there. 4. Okay, so let's see. 31 you did, and 31 1. Seven errors. Need to correct these. I don't so much look at these formatting errors because I go in and check the formatting. But the program tells you your errors, so, I mean, they're doing the proofreading that you should be doing. Like, you didn't capitalize here, an extra space there. Casual dress, I don't know what that is. Maybe you put J instead of S. You know, again, you've got to let, that extra. You've got to let, like right here, you've got to let word wrap work for you. Keep typing. This is the extra space. All this is spelled out in the reference manual that you guys should be doing. Okay? Your subtitle has a 12-point font. Okay, so what that means is right here. This should be 12 font. Right there. This should be 14 font. Those are all in the reference manual or in your textbook. That's why. So when it has 7 errors, I don't even look at them. That's part of your job to look at these. 32C. What did I put for 32C? Yeah, this is good. You want to try to keep these within 5 errors. You're doing the timed writings now. Crucial to your grade. What did I give you for 31? 31, a 0 on that. 32. And this week we have our exam. Read the assessment exam guidelines. Okay? Alright, hope this video will help.